We're almost done with this particular vehicle, but I noticed some scratches in it right through here. It looks like somebody set something on it in the showroom floor, like a box or something. So we're going to polish those out real quick. By the way, we're the only company that's going to be able to take out pre-existing scratches, stains where birds have poo-pooed on the car. You can't do that without machinery. Okay, now what we're going to do real quick is we're going to plug up our portal. This right here will take out any swirls because you know I didn't put hardly any, if any, in it. Show you how to apply the quantum correctly. Now when I do this quantum, I'm going to use quite a bit, more than you would to possibly wax your vehicle. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do here real quick. Directly from the jar here, incidentally, every panel that you do on a vehicle, you should use about that much of the quantum, 10% on every panel. That's quite a bit I just put on there. I'm drenching it. Okay, now we're going to take our portal and apply the quantum. Got it all wiped off in everywhere. We're going to let that sit for 5 minutes, but I want to show you something. Now you want to use a machine so you can do it, apply it in such a way. But look at the amount that's on here. Just drenched with it. So we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes and then we're going to wipe it off. Here's the process. Take one cotton towel, soft cotton towel. And what you want to do is just kind of take off the top layer, flip it to another side. Again, take off the top layer. Okay, now we're going to take our terry cloth towel here and we're going to take it all off, friends. Watch this. Look at that. The scratches that were in the hood, I took out. That's not part of overspray removal. But since I do use machinery, I have the ability to be able to do it, opposed to every other company. All they're going to do is clay and wax it. They say they polish your vehicle, but unless they use machinery, how are they polishing your vehicle? They're not. They're just waxing it. They're just waxing it and calling it polish. That ain't polish. This is polish. So we're going to take the rest of it off. We do not work in the sun. We do not do cars that haven't been properly prepped to be cleaned. That means wash it. That means wipe it off to completion. That means turn around and wax it, then clean it. Beautiful. All right. Let's see what we got here. All right. Okay. Sweet. Now I'm going to take her. Let's look her over, friends. Look at that. That's a black golf. Look at that. That paint is flawless. There is not a piece of overspray anywhere around in this area. Everything has been repaired from overspray damage. Everywhere. You're not going to find any overspray on this vehicle. We put a quantum on it. We buffed the scratch out. Hey, will you open up this door, Jimmy? That garage door there, please. We put a quantum on it. Look at that hood. Look at that hood. You can't beat it. It's perfect. We're going to take it outside. Let's get a look at her outside, y'all. Look at that hood. It's perfect. Finished. You can see the entire dealership. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I love that. She got the quantum on it, too, so. Yep. You're good. Did a nice quantum video on it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas International Services.